Right, Harmon Kardon HK TS210 subwoofer 230, and to move it, the outer screw, the inner screw, top screw, outer, inner, obviously ones on the outsides, down the corners, and the one in there, and one there, and one there, one there. Right, it's not powering on because of a diode, and the diode lives, power supply, come right in, and there's 3 diodes in a row. I've removed this one here, which is an MBR 1200 200 volt 1 amp shottky diode. So it just lives right down there. 3rd diode in, 1, 2, 3. Place that and you'll be good to go.